What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I usually upload videos every week, but I've had a lot going on. But here we are, we're back, and in this video, I'm going to be going over a lot of the issues that people have with barcodes. I actually got an email from GS1 saying I need to update my video, so I had an older video on UPC codes last year, but now they offer a new option and it's a lot cheaper, so I'm going to be going over that and everything that you need to know with Amazon's barcodes, including the FN SKU, the UPC code, where you put it in your listing, and how you generate that actual barcode. So if you're new to Amazon, this video will help you out with your barcode so you don't run into any issues like a lot of new sellers have. But before we get into the video, like I always say, if you could like this video for the YouTube algorithm, drop a comment down below on what you want to see in my next videos, and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated with new videos like this every week. And if you didn't know, I do a giveaway at the end of every month where I give away my Amazon FBA course or a $100 prize to the winner. I pick a random person from the comment section down below and I announce it at the end of every month. Alright, so here we are on gs1.org. This is Amazon's standard for the barcodes that you use on your products on Amazon. Back in the day, there's a lot of people saying you could use other companies like Nationwide or any third-party barcode company. They would recycle barcodes and they are very cheap. But now Amazon is actually checking against GS1's database. So if you don't get your UPC codes from GS1, you're going to run into issues when you set up your listing, because your UPC code that you got from Nationwide is not updated in the GS1 database like it is on gs1.org. So if you want to do it the right way and not run into any issues, you're going to go to gs1us.org. And then once you have an account, you're going to log into your account and you should see a screen like this. Now I am updating this video because about 5 months ago, they added a new feature so you could get one UPC code now for $30 and there is no renewal fee. So when I signed up over 2 years ago, I had to buy 10 different UPC codes. They cost around $250 and then I have to renew it every year, and I still renew it till today, so I pay like 50 bucks a year to keep my UPC codes active. But with this new option, they did it for Amazon sellers, so you could buy one UPC code for $30 and there's no renewal fee. So this is a great option for new Amazon sellers because they were complaining they didn't want to buy 10. Now they could just buy one. And then once you buy that barcode, I'm going to show you how to set it up in your Amazon listing and go over what the UPC code is, which one you copy and paste into your listing, and I'm going to do that right now. So we are in my GS1 account and we're actually looking at one of my UPC codes that are in use. But if you are brand new to Amazon, you haven't used any of your UPC codes, you're going to go right here to create, and then it's going to bring up a window like this. So this is my product right here. It's blurred out so you don't see it, but this is where you're going to put your product description. I like to just copy and paste my product description from Amazon. You don't have to, but it makes it really easy because it's the same exact description, but it doesn't have to match. But the one thing that does have to match is right here where it says brand name. So you have to put your brand name in here, and then on your Amazon account in your listing, that brand name has to match this, because this is what Amazon checks when they run the GS1 database. They want to make sure that brand name matches, and that is why it's very important to put the same name here as you do on your Amazon listing, which I'll show you where to put it. And then once you create your UPC code, right here where it says G1012 UPC, this is the actual code that you're going to copy and paste into your product listing on Amazon. So you're not actually making a barcode on GS1, you're just copying and pasting that UPC, and then you're going to plug it into your Amazon listing. So I'm going to do that right now. So now on your Amazon listing, you're going to go under the Vital Info tab, and then this first box right here, it says Product ID. This is where you're going to copy and paste that UPC code from GS1. If you don't remember, you go right here. You're going to go right here where it says G1012 UPC. You're going to copy this number, not this one down here. I see a lot of people copying this, but it's this box right here, G1012 UPC. You're going to copy this number. There's no zeros in front of it. And then you're going to paste it right here where it says product ID. And then right in this box, you're going to choose UPC. I can't change it because this is a live listing that I have on Amazon, but that is all you have to do. You're going to go to gs1.org. Just type in GS1 on Google. I'll put the link down below in the description as well. You're going to sign up. It's only $30 for one UPC code. And then once you're in your GS1 account, you're going to go right here to product. They have a lot of tutorials that kind of walk you through the account, so I'm not going to go through all of that. And then you're going to go right here to create. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to copy and paste your product description from your Amazon listing into GS1. And the most important thing is put the same brand name as you have on your Amazon listing. So this brand name right here on your Amazon listing has to match this same brand name on GS1. All right, that is it for this video. I knew it was going to be short. It's just going over the new policies on GS1. Amazon is now checking the GS1 database, and you want to do it the right way. You don't want to run into any issues issues with old recycled UPC codes because you want to save a couple bucks, now they give you the option to buy it for 30 bucks, which is a lot cheaper than 250, and you don't have to pay that renewal fee. All right, that is it for this video. If you need help with your own Amazon FBA business, check all my links down below. Join my Amazon FBA community down below. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.